Hey everyone, today's a little different type of video. I'm actually out at my family's horse farm in Ohio. It's Thanksgiving week, so happy Thanksgiving to you, your family, and all your friends, and I hope you enjoy. One of the joys about being on a farm is that there's always work to do. Today, I'm gonna put this fence in so my sister can complete that arena. So this should be fun. All right, so we're gonna get to drive the tractor. I've never actually driven a tractor before, so this should be interesting. Sometimes you can't hide from work. All right, I love you guys. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos, click over here. Don't forget to click like and subscribe down there. And I'll see you guys next time.